Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change bank account in DoorDash. Alright, let's begin. First, open up DoorDash and log into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so now if you want to change your bank account details, simply hit on your profile on top, click on it, and then under profile, you'll see payment methods. Click on payment methods and here you will see all your saved payment methods here. So if you want to make any changes to it, so simply select the payment method that you wish to change, or if you want to add a payment method, you can simply select whichever payment method that's associated to your bank account. For example, if it's a new card, so you can just add your card, whatever that's related, that's associated with your bank account. So just add that card. And then if you want to delete a previous one, choose the one and then swipe to your left, and then that's it. So that's basically how you can change bank account in DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.